Let's continue. Okay, wait ha. Hindi naman mo. Okay, so example here, we have useful language, Carol. So in this useful language, we're going to identify, choose the correct questions for the given answers. This is the tourist and the ticket seller. What do you think is the correct questions that you are going to put in here? So we have 1 to 4. So you need to choose 4 questions. So again, the tourists is speaking or having conversation with the ticket seller. What do you think is the correct question? What do you think is the correct questions? Dahil mo na itong dahil no. Kung ipangita mo. What do you think is the correct questions?
Number one, I
Yeah.
think it is letter F. Where is the cafeteria?
Where is the cafeteria? Okay. Where
Cafeteria.
is the cafeteria? Okay. Ito ha. You will gonna say, okay, it's across the bumper. Very good. Two. How about number two? This one, huh? This one. What do
Yes.
you think?
And I think it is letter C. What time do you guys open?
Okay, number three is, again, number two is, it includes the major attractions and a wonderful dolphin show.
What time do you guys open?
Okay, what time do you guys open? Okay, it includes a major, no, no, no. It includes all the major attractions and a wonderful dolphin show at 8 p.m. So what do you think? Okay, your answer is, what time do you open, guys? Okay, next, number three. This one, number three, this one. So number three, what is the answer? No, but you can go on the major attractions like roller coaster and carousel. What do you think is the question for that one?
Can I go to every attraction with a regular day pass?
Okay. Okay, next. It costs 75 pounds for adults and 45 pounds for the children.
How much is a day pass?
Okay, again, what is the answer? How much is the day pass? Very good. So you're talking how much? So you will gonna ask, you mentioned about what, Carol? If you talk about how much, what you will gonna mention? Okay. So if you are going to talk about money, you will gonna have how much? Okay, this one. Now, so the challenge, look at this. What do you ask the ticket? What do you ask the ticket seller? Ticket seller, huh? If you want to know what attractions are included with a special day pass, how you will gonna say? How you will gonna ask the ticket seller that you want or that you want to know what attractions included with special day pass. Example, 75 pounds if you have special day pass. How you will talk to the ticket seller if you want to know what attractions it included in your ticket. Okay, you tell me. How you will gonna say it? How you will gonna say it?
I asked the ticket seller about if I have a special day pass, what attractions are
Included. What
included
attractions are included
included for me?
in my tickets? Okay, very good. So you will gonna say what attractions are included in my ticket. Oh, that's it. You were gonna say that one. Okay. What
Okay.
attractions are included in my ticket? Okay. So Carol, if you want to visit one place in Danang, what could it be? If you want to visit places in Danang, what could it be? Okay. Okay, Carol. Okay. So are we done asking this? What do you ask to the ticket seller if you want to know what attractions are included in a special day pass? How you will gonna say it to the ticket seller? How you will gonna say it?
I say, what attractions are included in my ticket?
What attractions are included in my ticket? Oh, that's correct. Very good. What attractions are included in my ticket? Okay. So, Carol, we don't have enough time. Thank you so much for today. Okay. So, Teacher Ann will say goodbye and I will see you on Thursday. Okay. Okay, Carol,
Goodbye, teacher.
can you hear me? Oh, what will you do after this? Do you have class? Do you have class today? Or no? You will take
Yes,
a rest now? You will take a rest?
we have class today and Thursday.
I no, 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 no. After our class, what will you do?
I go to bed
Ah, you will go to bed now. Okay. What time?
or
What? Yeah.
sometimes I do my homework.
Ah, you will do your homework. What time you will gonna wake up?
Wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, very early. And what time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:30.
6:30. You go to school. Okay. Is your class time start at 7? 7 p.m. A.m. in the morning?
Yes.
Wow, very early, Carol. 7 a.m. you already start. Okay. Thank you so much, Carol, for today. And I will see you on Thursday. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Bye,
Okay.
Carol. Good night, Carol.
Good night, teacher.
Okay, good night.